Well, it's 9:28 p.m. and I've got nothing better to do, so let's do a little weather radio collection update in the dark, because why not? Going over here to the desk, got the zone guard still set up on channel 1. Oh, shit.
Possible wind clear. 15. Fogger information statement. Fogger information
Not the best signal anymore. I made a couple of changes over here, including the 250 is back in service.
and Elkins clear. 66 degrees.
The reason why I brought it up here, I actually broke the antenna at the base. So what I did was I couldn't do a straight up antenna swap from the 260. So I actually take the 260 and 250 apart and actually swap the mount out. Because the 250 uses a much thinner antenna, more akin to what you'd see like an ER10 VP. Otherwise, my recom is here,
Temperature
as is my 74-210.
72. Wind calm. At wheel.
Which, these two have the same button beep. Except the invalid one is completely different. Over here on the bookcase, we've got shit. My 74-200. It's now over here.
Here is a look at
Good signal in the window. Got my 519.
several days. Summer like
My Motorola on channel 2.
a backdoor cold front will approach from Pennsylvania.
My WR10 that doesn't seem to get a signal. I'm gonna move it somewhere. Make sure I got my window 100.
The official National Weather Service forecast for Frostburg, Maryland, and the
Over here is my ER10 VP for some reason. And WR3 version 8.
cloudy skies.
Gap in the middle. My 261.
Winds around 5 miles an hour. Tuesday.
And up on the nightstand. Got a couple more radios. Got my 400.
Highs in the upper 80s.
2. Got my HH Cradle, which will be occupied tomorrow, but we'll get into that. My Sanjay on channel 1. Adjust my alarm in the morning.
Thursday into Friday as the weakening cold front approaches.
Behind that's my 991.
For the official National Weather Service
The lovely hash brown. And then over here is just some empty space. So now let's talk about the radios that are missing. And the two I'm going to be getting tomorrow. My biggest omission right now is the Barecat. And it's actually because I bought it for $64, knowing that the squelch knob didn't work. Me and my computer repair instructor took it apart and we did some research, and we found out while the pot is technically working, it's not working as well as it should, and apparently it's a common issue on the Barecat BC 340, 345, 365, and 370 scanners. All these being the CRS models, of course. And the easiest thing to do was to order a new pot. And it came in today. So Mr. Rye actually took the, because the volume and squelch pots were under the same cable, actually took the whole assembly home with him, and he's going to resolder it. And hopefully I should be getting the radio back tomorrow. We'll put it back together during computer repair, which will be good. And then hopefully I'll have a scanner that I can actually use as a scanner, which will be cool because I can monitor Sky1 frequencies. Specifically around here it'd be 147.3 megahertz, because now that's cool. If you couldn't tell from Sterling and Sterling. So we're gonna put that radio back into service. I didn't need to take it out of service, it's just it didn't work as a scanner, and I want to be able to use this thing as a scanner. And I'm getting 2 new radios tomorrow. One of them is actually going to be a replacement version 16 HH, because mine went MIA. Probably good to get another one, and it was actually cheaper to get the battery and cradle as a combo kit. So I got that, so I'll actually have a spare cradle, but the cool thing is we'll be able to have one at home, one for here, and just take the radio back and forth. Plus I also have an ER310 coming. Basically it's the chungus of crank radios, and so that'll be good. So I'll be able to say I don't just have the worst ER series radio, I also have the best one. So that'll be pretty good. As for tomorrow, I'm actually going to the Romney Diner first and second school periods, which are because I'm going to be there from 8 to 9:40. It's an O&M trip we're going to be taking. So it'll be good to actually get some good, decent food, and a decent quantity of food as opposed to this school serving us jack shit. Anyways, that has been your update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because tomorrow I'll be doing the unboxing and posting it. Maybe with a couple of people, probably not.